In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to paint in GIMP. Let's get started. There are many paint tools in GIMP. We have pencil, airbrush, ink, and for version 2.1, my paintbrush is already available. You can find these when you right-click on the paintbrush tool on the toolbox or simply press P on your keyboard for paintbrush, N for pencil, A for airbrush, K for ink, and Y for my paintbrush. Each brush can be used for a different purpose, but it depends on your technique and how you plan to use it. Pencil and ink are often used to do outline work as it is more opaque and sharper. You can adjust its size, aspect ratio, angle, spacing, and hardness on its respective sliders. Airbrush, on the other hand, is much more softer compared to the former two, and it allows you to build up the color. You can also change the brush style of each of the said modes. Lastly, the My Paint brush allows you more control to your brush. You can adjust its opacity, weight, opaqueness, radius, base opacity, and hardness by using its respective sliders. My Paint brush also has its own wide variety of brush sets and allows you to download free brushes from the web. The Paint Dynamics Editor panel on GIMP also allows you to customize a brush based on your desired brush appearance. It allows you to adjust the fade length of the brush and make a gradient using the brush. There are also options for applying jitter to your brush, apply a smoother stroke, lock brush to view, and incremental. You can enable these settings depending on how you want your brush to look like. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.